Hey guys, I don't know what happened in my first video. I got a phone call and it shut off. So this is what's going on. So we're doing a swiping method here, okay? Here's a swiping method that I did last night. I lost this video too, okay? This is another one I did. This wasn't a swiping method, it's just a different type. And here's some coffee coasters that I have for sale. A set of 4 coffee coasters. I have them on here on my geode table. A set of 4 is $20. This is a geode coffee table. This is for sale on the offers. Here's some more coffee coasters here. These are really cool. Set of 4. No tie-dye, $20. I have a set of 4 of these. These are the longer ones. And these are really cool. They have the gold popping in them. And here's some art. This is a branch from the river. And we got the blue popping. Okay, here's some end tables that we have for sale. These end tables are $99 each. Here's another set of end tables here. I have the stuff on. And I'm gonna show you, I'm sure you guys seen, this is from yesterday. This is gonna be a top for a coffee table here. A nice big top for a coffee table, okay? So here's the swiping method. After I put the heat on, that's when I seen that the video wasn't working. So you get just like these little striations and cool colors popping. Look at all the glitter popping in there, okay? So I'm gonna put you guys back up here. We're gonna work on this a little more because like I said, I only have probably like 10 more minutes working time. I don't know, let's see what the paints are looking, yeah. So, okay, yeah, we're still good. So you're just gonna get this heated up a little bit more again. I'm gonna do some more swiping since my phone went off. I cannot get a full video for you guys. It's like every time I'm doing this, something happens. I lose the video or Wi-Fi goes out, so I'm just recording this now and I'm gonna post this instead of going live for now on, guys. So, all right, we're looking good here. We are on. Okay, so we're gonna do some more swipes over top of that. I'm gonna put a little bit more purple down in our little stripe. Now this purple color that I got right here, this is a mica powder. And these mica powders are from Dollar Tree, $1. They're the LA Colors eyeshadow for women. And this stuff works, guys. It's the same as mica powders that they sell for resin at Michael's for $10. I'm getting them for $1. So that's a little hack, a little trick you guys can use if you want to work with resin. It's a little cheaper. Now I will tell you the colors aren't as vibrant. So when I get a chance, I'm getting more of the real stuff for the resin, but these mica powders work just as fine. Now this is the chameleon color changer. This stuff I love. I'm just gonna put it right over top of that purple too. Okay, now we're gonna put a stripe of white down there. And yesterday I went to get my white and it was hard as a rock. It was literally steaming. I don't know if I had too much in here and I just left it sitting too long, but I don't know what happened. Or maybe it was the temperature in here, but you gotta be careful. You wanna work in temperatures around 65 to 80. Maybe if it was too cold, it set up like a rock and it started steaming on me. It was crazy. So anyhow, I got that down. I'm gonna get some more paper. Since we missed the swiping method, my phone shut off the first time. I'm just gonna go over the top of this. So you just take a piece of paper, we're gonna put it over the white, okay? And we're just gonna bring it up over top of all that other colors and then just do a little swirl up here into the corner with it. And that's a swiping method, guys, okay? I'm just gonna do that the whole way down. I'm gonna down this way on this one. Do something different. Okay. Now every time I do it too, I use a different piece of paper. I don't use the same piece every time. I'm going to go on this white and just bring it back up. Just take your time and go slow and just let it flow. Okay, I'm going to bring it back down this way. Like I said, I'm not putting any pressure on this at all. I'm just letting it flow. You don't want to put any pressure on your paper. Just let the paper flow. Got one more stripe. Let's see, one more. And right down here into the gold. Now we can go up and down. I'm going down this way into the gold. Oops. This one might need a little pressure. It's starting to set up. There we go. Right into that gold. Okay. Now we're going to take our heat gun. This is going to make some cool flashes popping out white. You can hit that with that heat gun. See it coming through. I'll continue to do that. You want to be careful when you're hitting it with the heat too. You don't want to burn your resin. You just want to get it heated up so it flows. So I'm going to do a different technique after I have to heat it up here. I'll show you guys. I'm just going to turn it and let it move. Now, can you tell the gold that I'm using tonight, the LA color from the Dollar Tree? I don't like, actually, if I was using the real Mica gold, it would be beautiful, so I'm going to get some of that. I like it a lot better than this cheap color stuff. But if you don't, if you're on a budget, if you just want to play around with it and don't want to spend a ton of money, it's great to, it works great. It works just as good. The color's just not as vibrant. Okay, so we're just going to take this. And we're just going to let it flow. See how it like flows down? Because I heated it up. You can let it flow any way you want. I want to keep some negative space in mind. So I'm not going to fill it up the whole frame. And be careful, you don't want it to flow too fast either. Because you'll get like little fingers coming down, okay? And then I'm going to bring it back down this way. Like I said, I want like that negative space in the sides and stuff. I kind of like that. It's like my thing. I don't like to feel it. Everybody has different likes. I like to have a little negative space in the sides. Okay, I'm going to flow down here. I don't know if you can see all that shimmer in there, man. It's from using those canoeing colors and just the different dyes that I use. You get, the epoxy just does different things with it. So I'm gonna flip these over so they don't get stuck on there. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna work on this a little bit more. I'll post a picture of it on the Facebook group again. You can go to, if you want to go to YouTube, Johnny Resin, just search Johnny Resin on YouTube. I'm going to have this, I'm going to put new content, hopefully 5 videos a week. Different methods of using resin, so you guys can learn. You can watch it's free tutorials, man. If it's something that you see you like, just please hit subscribe and like. I'm giving free tutorials. Facebook, a new Facebook group, Pouring with Resin. Please join that, especially all of my Zone Open area community forum members, man. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. And you can email me, johnnyresin@gmail.com. And I will be set up at Roach and Ziegler on Thursday nights in Zillinople. If you're from the area, if you're not from around here, you're probably thinking, what the heck is Zillinople? It's a weird name for a town. It's a beautiful town. one of the best small towns in Pennsylvania near Pittsburgh. So shout out to all you guys, Steeler fans. Love you guys, and I'll post this after I'm done with it, guys. So have a great night. Thank you.